So I just spent 12 minutes trying to get someone's attention, and I spent $200,000 just to trade someone 10 hat crates. I'm trying to give away these 10 hat crates, so if you want to join me, if you ever find me in a game, try, and you're not over like this guy, then you can just send me some. So, Praba, let's give some stuff to Praba. So let's go to trade, Praba. Okay, we have sent him the trade. Is Daniel's the same guy? Oh yeah. So I'm not recording the old footage. So the old footage was a guy who was just going around swinging his bat, and like that's the same thing what he did. A pro want some. It's hard to spell stuff for me. Want some stuff? Yeah. Okay. Look. Oh, he has some. He just has ocean. You know what? I'm just gonna give you 10 hat crates. Here you go, mate. Here you go, mate. Enjoy your day with 10 hat crates. Yep. Here you go, mate. 10 hat crates. Here you go. Mate. Thank you. Here you go, mate. Just gonna correct myself, mate. I hope I made your day. I hope I made your day. No, I think I just made some stuff. No, I'm gonna be spending $1 million. So like, on people. So like, people, if you ever see me again, trade me. I'll give you some free stuff. Even if you're not like this guy. If you're not like that guy, then you go, hey. Hey. At first, before I say hey, I have to get some stuff real. Okay, just get go hats. This is a little life hack for all you kids. It's actually way more expensive to buy something. So okay, no, man, if you're waving at me, I'm just gonna wave back at you. There we go. Hulk has $200,000. No, let's give him some. No, he already has some stuff. No, I think he's just opening his crates, 10 crates now, and like, hi, want some stuff? Want some stuff? What does he do? I have this. See? I have way better. Why is this guy just like? No, I'll send the Hulk a trade. Maybe he wants one. Oh, I think Daniel wants one. So let's send Daniel a trade. Hope he accepts it. Does he have like that nobody can even not Hulk? I think you're just like blaming me. So Hulk, let me send you a trade real quick. I need to send you this trade. Sir, I need to trade. No, I guess nobody wants my items. Problem was the only guy. Okay, will I take his trade of Kest? He must see it. Oh, okay, I accepted my trade. Oh, what? Why? Oh, sorry. Hey, stop! This guy's been following me like a long time. Why am I... Okay, I feel like I'm not recording. Okay, we're about to give this man 10 crates. Toyko, accept this. Oh, he's giving him a moss? Okay. You okay, I can agree with Toyko. Mods for 10 rare hat crates. Yes, we gave more some items. We actually did buy some more, and we did give away some more. So here okay, thanks NP. We have we have two stuff. We have two stuff on our channel, so we should give away. If my friend just joins, I will surprise him with 20. I will do once a giveaway, guys. I will do a giveaway once where I will give 50 crates. I said it. 50 crates. Rare crates. I will buy them with my own money. It'll probably cost me like 1 million. But yeah, we gave away some stuff. Now we need to give away one more, and that's it. So I'll ask some people to give them away, and he's probably unboxing his because he's just. Oh, he put on a new hat. Nope. I'm gonna find another person. When I find another person, I'm gonna get the recording on. This video doesn't need to be edited, so I can just upload it to the main channel. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I find a new person. What? Why did that just happen? Okay, I know. I said that I was gonna cut when I found someone, but I'm doing a new lobby because I need some new people there. So Friday and you have a cold. What? Wow, when I started recording why? When I started recording, everything loaded. Except for they're falling down the street. They're listening to the. Yes, I got diamond, which is $50,000. Yes. There's this new feature where every time it collapses, you just land there. So like, someone just mined 600 million billion. Was it billion or million blocks today? Okay, that's good. So I'll just wait for. Okay, I'll send someone a trade. Okay. Okay, this guy is. I found another person. He's giving me some stuff. Elixir, you're going to get 10. It looks like he just knew he was going to get 10. It like he knew that he was going to get 10. I'm gonna press the miner. Yep, thank you. No problem. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you liked the video, don't give it a. If you didn't like the video, don't give it a thumbs down. Still give it a thumbs up because I need the YouTube revenue. Anyways, goodbye. Goodbye of the super game. I don't know my outro. Comment down below what should be my outro, or should I have one? Because if you don't have one, I will make my own. Bye.